I'm here today to show you how to install the SpoutOff Gutter Outlet System. It's simple, easy, convenient, and keeps your gutters flowing properly all year long. The first thing you're going to want to do when installing the SpoutOff Gutter Outlet System is determining your downspout size. There's typically two sizes, the 3x4 downspout and the 2x3. The SpoutOff Gutter Outlet System is made standard to fit the 3x4. And we do recommend switching to the 3x4 if you have a 2x3 for peak performance with the SpoutOff Gutter Outlet System. However, we do sell a reducer that will make our system work with a 2x3 as well. The SpoutOff Gutter Outlet System comes with everything you need for any type of downspout that you have. Some people have the underground pipe their downspout empties into. Some people have the A elbow, and some people have the B elbow. Once you've figured out your downspout configuration, go to thespoutoff.com and choose the kit that is correct for your configuration. As you can see, our kits come with all the parts that you would need to fit your configuration. Depending upon your downspout configuration, tools may be varied, but these basic tools will pretty much get the job done. You need a drill bit, tin snips, pliers, a marker, and a screwdriver, preferably flathead. That's it. Let's get to work. The second thing that you're going to do is remove the downspout from the gutter itself. You'll simply remove the two screws holding your downspout to the gutter. Once those screws are removed, you simply pull off the downspout and place it somewhere safely. The next thing you'll want to do is remove the screws that fasten your current outlet to the gutter. Once you remove the screws, simply pull out your old outlet, place to the side, and then take the supplied template and place it over the existing hole, lining up the center hole in the template with the outlet hole. Next, take your marker, mark along the lines in the template, now remove your template, take your tin snips, and simply cut along the lines. Next, you're going to want to take a pair of pliers and bend back the tabs so that way the outlet fits on properly. Once you successfully bent all your tabs down, you're going to take the spout and install it underneath the opening. The spout will slide easily behind your gutter, like so, and ensure that the tabs go inside the spout. Once in position, we're going to go up top and install two screws to make sure that the spout is secure. We're going to take our drill now and drill through the gutter into the spout to ensure that the spout does not slip from the gutter. Now we'll take our screwdriver and secure the two screws so that our spout all stays secure. The final thing we need to do is put two screws in the front of the spout through the gutter. This will provide the final fastening for the spout. Now that the two screws are in the spout, our installation of the spout is finished. Now we'll move on to the off. To install the off, simply take it, place it in the downspout where it meets the gutter, and then secure it with a screw on either side going through the downspout into the off. Now that the installation of the spout and off is done, What we'll do is remove the downspout from our underground pipe, or from whatever drainage configuration you may have. So the next step is to simply install the spout stop. The spout stop easily fits into the drainage pipe like so. Once in, we simply rest the downspout on top and secure it to the wall. As you can see, our installation is complete. The spout off is securely attached to the gutter, comes all the way down, and now drains in our underground drain pipe. And to remove it is a breeze. Your downspout now comes down safely and easily thanks to the SpoutOff Gutter Outlet System. Simply remove 2 bolts, one from the bottom, one from the top. Then you simply lift the downspout up and remove the gutter. And that's it.